and there will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try, I'll give you what you want. Take it, baby, take it. I'm so
Hello, wonderful good evening. Whoa! Hello, wonderful good morning. Yesterday evening I explored our Earth on Google Maps and I found a cool place which is in Luzern. And what's special about it is that here they built a tunnel through this rock and they made a ventilation on top. Like, for me it would make more sense if they would make it on the side, then they don't need to drill a deep hole into the rock, but the civil engineers have their reasons for that. And what's also special here is here's a house which looks very interesting. And when you go on Google Street View, then you see here's a sign that you can rent a room including a boat garage next to the lake. So also here you can see down here there is the boat garage. And here's a small church. And if you go from this side to the other side, then here is a restaurant which looks cool. And then also you can see this is a gravel mine. I think it looks super special. Wow. And I would like to fly my drone in this special place, but if you go on the website from the Swiss government with the drone restrictions, then you see we have an airport right here and another airport which is located in this area. And I want to fly my drone here. But they say that it's not allowed if you fly a drone with a weight between 0.5 and 30 kilograms. And for this reason, I bought this thing, the DJI Mini 2, which is just 249 grams. I also put this little beast on the scale for testing if it's really under 249 grams, and it is. But even though my aircraft is light enough, I'm not 100% sure, because if I go into another website, yeah, it's in German, for drones with a weight under 500 grams, you can't fly over wildlife reserves and no-fly zones. But they say all the other restrictions are gone, but they also say you shouldn't fly right next to an airport. And then we also have another map, the DJI Flysafe Geo map, and here we can see the two airports, and then we have a blue authorization zone. So I think I will have problems with the DJI flying app to fly my aircraft over this area. But this zone is in a radius of 4 kilometers, and on the Swiss government webpage we have a 5 kilometer radius at an airport. And so my plan is driving here to Stansstad and then go onto the bridge so that I'm outside of the zone and I can start my drone here and then make some cool footage from the tunnel. And maybe I have a chance to also fly to the house, but I can't fly too close because of privacy of the residents. And then I also have a problem, like the gravel mine is located over here and you have also the flight restriction. So maybe I can just fly a maximum of 30 meters above ground, or I can't fly at all because there will be a geo fence. So maybe I can just fly until here. But I'm super interested in this area because it looks super cool. So this is my plan for the day. I will take a shower and make my hair a little bit better because now I look messy, and then we will see us there. I made it to this place. I'm here, there you can see the gravel mine. Here's the bridge. There's also the special house. And over here, chaka chaka cha. Oh my gosh, this thing is huge. Okay, so I brought the DJI Mini 2. That means let's go drone flying. used my first battery and I noticed it's strict not possible going into the blue area. There is the geofence and I can push the throttle into this direction, but nothing will happen. So I can't fly there to the house. And also if I want to fly to the gravel mine, I can't go directly. I need to fly on the sides. And then it could be possible that I come a little bit closer, but I won't get close enough, this for sure. Luckily the Mavic Mini is having a zoom feature, so I can zoom by 2 times, and maybe this is close enough. We will see. This is it. Flying with the drone, I tried to fly as close as possible to the objects, so this is what I got and I'm happy. I think it's good that it's not possible with the DJI drone to fly that close to an airport, because this is good for our safety when we are in an airplane. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I learned something. That's it with the video. Now I will sit here a little bit longer on the bench, enjoy the beautiful view, and then I will go back home. Thank you for watching and see you next time. I think it will take a little bit longer until you see me next time, because I'm working on my New Zealand videos. I work on them since 1.5 years and I'm still not finished, but I want to make everything perfect and then I will upload them every week, a video. Give me some time. It will take, I don't know, maybe half a year and then I got it. So for that, thanks for your support. Thank you for more than 600 subscribers and thanks for your comments. And then see ya next time. Bye bye. Just go to these places. You don't need a drone to go everywhere.